Okay, Charlie, how are you?
Please, I'm fine.
Okay, let's see if you can solve my examples.
Okay.
Yesterday I was saying we should get some of the Nigeria questions. The one I gave to you, do you solve it? Nigeria questions.
Yes, sir.
Mikra, why did I put it scramble? I now have to share what's up to here. Text me hi on WhatsApp so that I will see your chat. Okay, I've seen it. I've seen it. Okay,
Yes,
the
sir.
other ones you solved it. You solved it
Yes.
on your own. So let me go through the past questions, the ones I sent to you. See if you can
Okay.
pick new ones. Ooh, Gambia, EMAS. Let me see if I can get to there. There's nothing in the Gambia context. Let me go and check what do maths. The Nigeria EMAS 2023. So this one says that there are 6 boys and 8 girls in a class. If 5 students are selected from the class, find the probability that more girls than boys are selected. No, this one is not binomial. Oh, this one is application of combinations. Let me see if I can get the binomial some. No, in 2020, Nigeria didn't bring some questions needed. They use the application of combinations rather. Yes. So this question, in an examination, percent of the candidates passed. Right. Let me type it. An examination. 60% of the candidates pass. Right. If 10 are selected as random, 10 candidates. I hope you're writing.
Yes, sir.
Find the probability that at least 2 of them failed. At least 2 of them failed. Then B. Exactly half of them pass. Then at most 2 of them fail. So something like this, can you work on it? Can you simplify it? Or can you solve it?
Yes.
Okay, so let's see the way forward. You talk then I write. Okay, I'm listening.
Okay.
Now, before you start, what makes this question binomial probability?
Sorry. It's talking about an examination of students who passed and who failed and also passed. So the difference between the people who passed and the people who failed. Talking about two things.
Okay. Okay. What else? What else makes it binomial? Yes, we've talked about the mutually exclusive events. Then, what else? If there's something else, there are three conditions. It should be mutually exclusive. There should be an experiment. The experiment should be done
Okay.
a number of times. Right. That's why the 10 candidates are selected as random.
Okay.
Right. So this because of the binomial, I use uh, candidate pass. So candidate passed and candidate failed. I always use
Okay.
the two conditions. Then I put a 10 at the top as the number of what trials. Right.
Okay.
Very good. So continue from here. I have to find the probabilities of each of them, the pass and the fail.
Okay. So probability of student who passed
Yeah, everything.
is 60%. That's 60%. Yes. And probability of student who failed.
50%, write it as a fraction. 60 over 100.
Okay. 50 to 100.
2 over 3, 2 over what? 5. So 3 over 5.
And probability of students who failed is 2/5.
Very good. So 2 over 5.
Yes.
What else?
So now you can find probability at least two of them failed.
So you have to write it as an inequality. What's the meaning of
Yes.
this?
At least is 2 and above.
So we want the failure to be 2 and above. So it means greater or equal
Greater than or equal to 2. Mm.
to the inequality. You are failing this one.
So it will be um mm,
Let's list all the 10 situations. 0, 1,
0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
and let's understand where we get greater than or equal to 2. Are we okay?
Yes, sir.
So what else?
So now you can take the 10 combination 0, no, combination 2.
This one. You want to do all of them one, 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 one.
And then I want to do the wrong go.
So you have to use the opposite of this.
Okay.
So what is the opposite of anything greater than or equal to 2?
0 and 1.
So 0 and 1. Then you choose these ones.
Okay.
But it should be 1 minus. Understand?
Okay.
1 minus probability of what? F less than 2. That means you are going to choose 0 and 1 as your x.
Okay.
Let's continue.
So 1 minus 0, 10 combination 0.
10 combination 0.
Bracket open. 3/5 exponent 0.
Yes. This one is correct, but
Bracket.
I want you to take, for the purpose of understanding, yeah,
Okay.
the listing. I prefer writing the listing, the letters in there before. Like,
Oh, okay.
to 1 minus, you want h to have exponent what? Is it h? Rather, the p.
P.
I'm cleaning it, it's not cleaning. P to have exponent 0. Then what? F will have exponent what? 10.
10.
Then 10 combination 0. Plus, you want P to
Mm.
have, because you are referencing it from here. You're referencing it from
Okay.
this one. So now we want P to have exponent 1. If P has exponent 1, F will have exponent what? 9. Then we have 10
9.
combination 1. The one is
1.
from here. Because the focus is on
Mm.
the path. Hey, wait.
Yes.
The focus is on the fail.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay,
Yes,
it's
true.
true, it's true. If 0 are failing, then 10 are passing. Eh?
It's the opposite side.
We are using the opposite side. Okay, so
Yes.
should we choose this one as the foot of the combination, the fail?
Yeah, that's the P.
According to the formula, it will be
Okay.
this, right? But according to my technique, I'll change it to 9. Or you don't want to use to maintain your formula.
No, let's go on.
So my own, we are focusing on the F, right?
Okay.
So it means
Okay.
here becomes combination 10, here becomes combination 9 because you are focusing on the F. Doing all of this combination 10. If you finish, we'll check the answer if it's equal. So this one, P exponent 0. Hey, no, we are looking for F. Oh, sorry. Our focus is on F. Oh, right here. F should be less than. So we want F to have exponent 0.
Okay.
F exponent 0. Then this one will have exponent 10. Then F exponent 1. You have exponent 9. And 10 combination 1. I have the answers here, but I'll check if my
Okay.
technique is still holds.
Okay.
So this one, the P is what? 3 over 5. Exponent 10. The F is exponent 0. Any 3 raised to the power 0 is 1. This one.
Yes.
So let's do 10 combination 1. I want P exponent 9. 3 over 5 exponent 9. Then 2 over 5 exponent 1.
Okay.
Okay, so according to the website that I use, the question is, the answer is 0.95, 0.9 plus 6. But let's check if my method still holds. 1 minus 10 combination 0. Let me put this in brackets. Are you punching on your side?
This is
Correct too.
Yeah, be correct.
It's correct. Charlie, then my method is true forever ever. Amen.
Yeah, man.
I don't know how my approach works, but it works. You get the final answer.
Yes, sir. I said I wanted to ask this. You see, sometimes we don't work into details. We just punch on the calculator. Like, would they give the full mark?
It's likely you can get a full mark. You get the answer correct, but maybe your method.
Because sometimes I think you see, from here, like you solve
You solve them
only
individually.
the 10. Please, sir.
You solve them individually, like step by step.
Yes, yes.
Uh, the reason why I'm afraid of that one is because you may end up approximating your decimal places. Why
Okay.
they want us to solve to correct to 4 decimal places.
Yes.
I'm going to see. Okay, they didn't write this, but in the original question, it's a Nigeria question 2019 and 2023. So if you want to do, you can do that one. You can choose to do that one too. You can use the calculator approach, mode 7. Then go to the this thing, then combination X. Just look at where the pattern starts from. I really know how to do this method too.
Yes.
3 over 5. Then the X, this X is on the focus. So over here, this exponent 10, right?
Yes.
Plus 10 combination 1, combination X. 2 over 5. X exponent 10 minus X. Another bracket 2 over 5. Exponent X. We start from 0 and we end at 1. You see the map place. So it's going to be 1 minus 0.01209. 0.
Okay.
0120,
0, 1, 2.
0129 plus the second one 0.1007, 0.1000. A thousand has how many zeros? 1000, what? 7 something. Now let's see. You can do it calculator mode 1. 1 minus 0. Okay, so let's do it step by step. 0.0129 plus 0.10077. Let's see if we get the same answer.
Okay.
So 1 minus 11286. And let's add this one. 1 minus answer. This is the reason why I don't like doing the step by step. No.
Um,
So that you're going to get something different.
different.
I didn't know if punch something wrong.
I'm not sure.
Maybe you punch something wrongly. So
Okay.
the more you write, the more you are tempted to do mistakes. The most important is to get
Oh,
your
okay.
idea here correct. And you see, time is of the essence. Even if you get the answer
Sure.
correct, then you lose the method. Ah, but try as much as possible to write the answer. Either leave 2 lines by force.
Okay.
Okay, now let's do the second one. This one there must make a J for the. Maybe I didn't do the algebra correctly. I didn't do the calculation correct.
Okay.
If you take your time and do it again and see.
Okay, sir.
The second one says that exactly half of them passed. So probability of passing, half of 10 is what? 5, right? So we want the passing to have exponent
Mm.
5. So P have exponent 5 and F also have exponent 5. Our focus is on P, then that becomes the fruit of the combination. So 10 combination 5 times 3 over 5. Sure, I didn't miss solving after the Majiafa. Student of teachers. So let's go to our calculator. So you point for me.
Okay. Okay, you get 0.20065.
6, 5.
Yes, 658.
It's okay, it's okay. Then the last one
Okay.
says, we should have had at most 2 of them. Last text here. Number 2, let's see. At most, 2 of them failed. So probability that at most 2 failed. How will you write the inequality? Fail should be what? At most. What does it mean to say at most in inequality?
Greater than or equal to 2.
Greater than.
No, greater than or equal to 2.
No, it's not that. That's at least.
So that less than or equal to 2.
Mm. Don't go and gamble.
Sure, sure.
At most means the ceiling and below. So 2 and below.
Okay.
At least means the minimum and above.
Okay.
If I say most high, at
Okay.
most high, there's nothing greater than most high. So you have to take the most
Okay.
high and the low people, most low.
Okay.
So now let's place the set of numbers greater less than what 2, 0, 1, 2,
1, 2, yes.
right? Out of the 10, no. So over here, if I say
Yes.
if you continue listing up to 10, and you want to use the opposite, it won't work. It will work, but it will take too much time. And
Yes.
that's what we did over here. So just I want f to have exponent 0, then p you have, yeah, how will you understand?
Yes, sir.
So we want if f has exponent 0, p will have exponent 10, and then we get 10 combination 0, right? Plus
Yes.
f having exponent 1, p will have exponent 9.
9,
You have 10 combination 1
1,
plus f exponent 2, p will be exponent 8, 10 combination.
2.
So now let's put in the original values. 3 over 5 exponent 10. Any written to the power 0 is 1, plus
Yes.
combination 1, 3 over 5 exponent 9, 2 f exponent 1. And finally, 10 combination 2, 3 over 5 exponent 8, 2 over 5 exponent 1. So you can put them one after the other. 10 combination 0 is the same as 1. So
Okay.
Do you want to punch all of them at once, or you do it step by step?
Like yesterday, you see on your this one, I will not go on the calculator. So you point maybe two first,
Mm,
maybe 10 combination 0 times 3/5 combination 10 plus the other one. After that, you come and add the last one. That all will not go on the calculator. Yesterday,
yeah.
I made something like this.
Okay, that's cool. I mean, I'll use the table approach so that I'll get everything at once.
Okay, let me try that one and see.
Now I have to list everything for you step by step.
Okay.
The other one, the table approach, I did a mistake. Just punch this one. Just punch it like this. 10 combination 0. The other one, I made a mistake. I shouldn't have added this thing. Second term because the same thing. And 3/5 exponent. Over here, the 10 is equal to 10 minus 0 because we are picking the x as the second term. Right?
Okay.
I don't know how to write it here. Like this. Let me clean this part. Highlight times the 2/5 exponent was 0. So there's the x, right? The x keeps on changing, and the x is always here, right?
Okay.
The punch on the calculator. That's how you do it. 10 combination x, 0/5, 10 minus x. Then you bring the other 2/5 exponent x. So you start at where? 0. Starting at 0. This one. So x is 0, start at 0, and end at what? 2. So
Okay.
that's one is 2. And the step is 2. So the first time you get here is it's 0.000, or let me say 6
Mhm.
times 10, 6.04 times 10 exponent 3,
Okay.
standard form, plus 10 exponent negative 3, plus, come down, 0.040, plus, last one, 0.129, 0.1209, something, straight to, and let's add all of them. We the bracket.
Mhm.
I'm going to come with the
Okay.
you wake up at dawn, you talk, you get hungry easily. So exactly, that's the same answer in the web on the website. Oh,
Okay.
oh my god, I'm tired. I hope it makes sense.
Yes, sir.
Mm, if there are other questions like that. as 2020. That replacement stuff, now are you okay with them?
Yes.
There's another question here. 2020 math. Hey, now if you don't do screenshot or you go do for YouTube. You can screenshot this one. Let me
I
screenshot.
wanted you to send me this one, the PDF, because the last time we didn't take screenshots.
Mm,
Okay, I've taken this one.
okay. I'll send a PDF when you're done. Yeah, remind me.
Okay, sir.
Shaba, shaba, shabam, ba, ba, bam. Pem, 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 pem. Oh, da, 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 do, 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 do. 10x are picked successfully with replacement. Write it. This is becoming small. It's fine. Can be the central part can be cool. Let's see. 10x are what picked. They use a 10 as a T, and I don't know why, but maybe it's strategic. Are picked successively with replacement. Right. From
Okay.
you continue writing. Let me finish. What do these things come from now? I'm not containing 10% defective. So the more you solve these types of questions, the more you see the pattern and how they answer the questions.
Yes.
Effective X, full stop. Find the probability that only two of A. If I mean, at least two are defective. So all you do this one, I'll leave it for you.
Mm.
You talk alright. Strictly you.
The X are big successfully with placement from a lot continuing Jesus. Find the probability that at least two are different. Two. Total outcome. The total is 10. The total is 10. See, that is successful. See, 10 over. Sorry, I'm coming. That's 1 over 10.
It's only 10%, right?
Yes. Um, and the defective no, no, 10 defective x. And the one which is not successful. Mm, Not successful. It's 9 over 10.
However, yeah, using the successful and unsuccessful, I would rather appreciate that you use the defective and non-defective.
Okay.
Otherwise, you see, you are trying to invoke the formula. But you see, in this case, rationally, this should be the defective
Okay.
because that's what the question is focusing on. And effective, effective
Okay.
or non-defective. You can use the non word too is okay. Non-defective.
Okay. I'll say find the probability that at least 2 are defective.
So I'll write the inequality.
So 2 b 2 that's 2 equal to 2 greater than or less than greater than or equal to 2.
What is greater than or equal to 2?
The D.
Okay.
The D effective, yes.
So what do I write again?
So you come from probability 1 over 10.
I write equal to 1 over 10.
Mm. Yeah. I think we make it a decimal 1 over 10.
You can make it a decimal.
So 0.1. Okay, this is the replacement over 10. Oh,
Another 0.2 over 10. 0.1 is the same as the 1 over 10. So if you are using decimal, use decimal.
I think for me, you are solving.
You said,
I think for me, you put in the values and you
so
solve them.
say it and let me write it there.
Okay. Combination.
It's the inequality. And you select the ones you are doing from 0 to 10. 0
Okay.
and
Yes.
3, 4, 5, 6, up to 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. Right. Then select what you are looking for. So it is what like what should I underline from?
From 2 up to 10.
Yes, 2 to 10. This is what you're supposed to find. But all of these are plenty. So I can use a bypass. So I use a bypass. So what do you do?
Is the bypass the same as the negative side? That 1 minus
Yes.
okay. So you use 1 minus P bracket open D greater than or less than 2.
Is rating greater than or less than 2? Or
Yeah.
it should,
You to tend to less than or equal to
no,
two.
you can't bring equal to. If say something is not greater than 2, less than, just less than.
Okay.
Because you can't bring the 2 as part of anymore because the 2 is already in this.
Yeah. So
From here.
so 1
And so 1
minus bracket open. To our focus is on the effect.
okay.
So D.
List this ones. List this ones. 0 and 1.
Okay. That 0 1.
Okay, so continue.
Okay. So D and D and non D. So please should you use N instead of the non D?
And yeah, you can use N.
Okay. So D and N, and the D will take exponent 0, and the N will take exponent 10.
Hmm.
Then that's 10 10 combination 0.
So right from here.
Yes.
Okay, then what else? Class.
Plus Dn, where the D have exponent 1 and exponent 9.
Very good.
10 combination 1.
Okay. So now
Okay.
let's substitute.
So the D is 1 over 10 exponent 0, then 9 over 10 exponent 2. D is equal to 1 over 10 exponent 1 bracket to be 9 over 10 exponent 9.
Okay, so the rest is calculator.
Calculate. Okay.
So do them one after the other. Add them.
Okay. Combination 0 equals 1 over 10 0 9 over 10 combination 10. Please, the first one is 0.34867.
Okay.
Okay. And then the second one. 1. And the second one is 0.38742.
So add them.
Okay. 0.34867. You get 0.73609.
Why subtract from 1? What do you get?
Sorry, I'm coming. 1.7 3607 207. You get 0.26393.
Okay, so I'm searching the question on the internet.
Okay.
And the question is named Prof.
Okay.
It's a very good question. So, okay. Yeah, AI saved the soul. Yes, your AI said the answer is 263. So we are right.
Okay.
Charlie, this topic has been treated as.
Yes.
So if you can, you are very much ready to do it. Whether you use the
Yes,
formula
sir.
approach or my approach, is to get it correct.
Yeah.
And my approach is more meaningful than the formula approach. The formula, if
Yeah, now I'm getting your own is okay.
let's focus emphasis on what the question is talking about, not just formula.
Yes.
And ironically,
Mm.
if we do it, we get it correct too.
Yeah, and the formula now it can be complicated somehow.
When they switch, when they change the focus, like the previous one that we did,
Mm.
we were supposed to be looking for your effective and effective. Okay, I think this one is okay.
Yes.
I think it's okay. But the next thing we have to
Yes,
do
sir.
is we have to go and master the combinations again, the applications of combinations. I've realized that
Okay.
either they will bring this question or they will bring that one in the probability side.
Okay.
And the statistics
Okay,
side
sure.
will bring the histogram with unequal class interval. Do the unequal class interval, I said that you plot frequency density against what? Class boundaries.
Yes. Yes.
When you have unequal intervals, how do you find the frequency density? You said that the frequency density is the area of the rectangle. So how do you find the area of rectangle? Two things are multiplying. The cross bar,
Okay.
the distance between the class interval times for instance, the frequency density will give you the area,
Okay.
right? So if you want to find another one, you divide. I don't know if you get
Okay.
what I'm saying. I remember we did histogram, yes, over here. And go and learn the Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. That one too. They come.
Okay.
Remember this question on equal class intervals.
Yes.
So the area of all these rectangles here, every area is what? FD times C, because you are plotting FD, frequency density, against class weight.
Mm.
The class weight is the distance
Okay.
in between the listing. This is the distance from here to here is the class weight. From here to here, that distance. So whenever you forget, have in mind that frequency when you have unequal class weight, you are plotting frequency density against what? Class weight.
Okay.
No, class boundary. But to get the frequency density, it is the area of what? The rectangle. Now this one is your class weight. This one is your frequency. So that is the frequency over class weight. Give you frequency density. This means Frequency density times class weight will give you what? The frequency. Class weight times frequency density
Okay.
will give you the frequency itself. So this is the most important thing you have to keep in your mind. Frequency density is the same as frequency divided by the class weight.
Okay, sure.
And you are good to go. Then schemas rank correlation coefficient. I understand you know about it already, but still learn more. And they give you two quantities,
Okay.
the physics and maths. Then you do what? You you rank them. How about the mechanics? The equations of motions.
Still on it.
We have to be
Now
doing more.
yes. Now since I'm branching some other way
Okay. Your
to the
branches.
geography.
Okay, I'm sure after the geography you get time to take the.
Yeah. So after the geography, Sunday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. I think we have some 4 days before. Then we tackle on EMAS. The 11th is I think Wednesday. Yes.
Okay, but let's keep
11th
on
is Wednesday.
meeting at EMAS.
Okay.
Even if the whole day will
Okay.
not done in the morning, then the rest you take to do your other subjects. Be okay. Me, I
Okay.
took less
Sure.
done like also on a part and you learn something. See that you've covered something.
Sure.
Anka woda anka unsua hwee, but also I'm watching that you
Yeah.
covered something.
Yeah.
Lambis
Sure.
theorem, you master
Yes. Yes. Still the
movement,
go.
movements, you master
Yes.
so you outline find difficult questions and give it to you.